We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to Mike's Retro Tech and the Retro Tech Loft. In a recent video, you saw the Evolution MK449C keyboard where I put the new rotary dials on. Well, today I'm going to attempt to replace the slider knobs, the caps on those, because you can see there's only 3 out of the 9. So what I've got is here from eBay. Came a few days ago. I can't wait to try these. And what they are, these are red mixer knobs times 12. Please find and enclose your item, which I hope has arrived safely. These are original retro mixer knobs. Okay. Well, that looks good, doesn't it? Look at that. So, I don't know where they're retro from and from which mixing console, but look at that. They're pretty good. Red. I mean, they're a bit bigger, but they're still the right size. They're not really going to make a difference, are they? Do they fit? So you see they don't. So they are 4mm and it needs to be 6mm. So what do? Well, I've got 12 of them, so I can do 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, actually there's 15. Well, there you go. Wow. Okay. So I've got a few to play with then. That's brilliant. Let's put those there. So what I think I need to do is this hole here is the 4mm hole. So I need to take my file, which is there. And you see that is 6mm, that file. So I need to get a smaller one. Probably like that. And see whether or not I can file it in the middle. So I'll come back in a minute and see whether or not I've completely broken those or whether it's going to work or not. Okay, so I've used my multi-tool as well as a file, and I've got it to that stage. Now it's a good job I've got loads of these spare because I've made a right hash of that, but it goes to show that that actually does fit with that size hole. So I need to go really deep down, about as far as that. So as far as that down, and then take it out with the Dremel and make it just straight, otherwise it'll be on a wonk. So I'm going to try and do that with another one, but do it more sensibly and see whether that works or not, and I'll come back to you in a bit with it. Okay, so as you can see by the mess, I've used the multi-tool, and I've gone from this, the 2 tines in there, to completely open, and that seems to work quite well. So what I've got there now is that, and then I take some glue, which is really sticky tacky glue. I put it in there, and then I sit it gently on the lever, and that does actually seem to work. But that glue's gone a bit gammy now, so I need to rip that off, throw that away. Ooh. Get my head in the way and do some more glue. It's just all-purpose glue. Put a dob on there like that, using a cotton bud without the woolly end. Take a dob of glue and just run it on the inside like that. And then stick it on the tine, and it works really well. So I've got them all over here on the floor, all stood upright so they're not going to flop. So I'll finish all these off and then I'll show you the end result, and it looks pretty good actually. Okay guys, so I've finished now, and I've got 6 spare, and only one of those 6 has got the funky middle, because I obviously cut it wrong. So that's good. So out of the 15 that I got, I've used the 9, which I'll show you in a minute, but I'm going to hoover and just get rid of all this crap now. So amazing. And it's just the Dyson V6, I think it is, or a V7 Animal. Really good. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, let's see whether you can see the results or not. Yeah, there we go. They're not straight by any means, but they work really well. So I'll leave all those to set now and just make sure they're all in. They're all like that, and they're not all stuck. And then I can use that and jobs are good, and it looks like new. It's amazing. Yeah, it's really good. I'm well impressed with that. Very basic, very quick video on putting new slider knobs on the Evolution MK449C. So the MK449C USB MIDI keyboard. So thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. Click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and then select all to get all notifications when we upload more videos. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. Have you got one of these keyboards? As I said before in the previous video, do you use it quite a lot? I love this. It's really good for MIDI. I use it with Reason on my laptop, and it's good. I mean, and that has now given it a new lease of life with that and the new twiddly knobs. It looks brilliant. So there we go. That's another successful sort of video. Not a refurb, but more of a DIY hack sort of thing. But anyway, as always, stay safe, everybody. See you in the next video. Goodbye.